Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Today I'm doing a video analysis of Khulisi Mudau, Mamelodi Sundowns right back and Bafana player. There's rumors that he's going to Pirates. Am I happy about that? No, I don't like players as a Sundowns moving to Chiefs or Pirates. But am I happy that he's leaving Sundowns? Yeah, because I never really rated him highly like what most people say he's the best right back in Africa. For me now, no. There's always been a part of me that's critical about as a right back going forward. As a right back defending, he is one of the best. But remember, Gutimanje, football is about attacking and defending, right? So as a right back, he's very good in terms of defending, but attacking, not really that good. So in some of the things that I'm going to show you, I'm not going to show you his crossing because he can't cross. So I'm funi kube ngathi manje because I don't rate him highly. No. So for me, the best right back, watch the right back is Senegal. For me, that's the best right back in Africa. So I'm going to show you his defending and his routine. When we go forward, the options that he take in terms of when we attack, transitioning play. Now let's start. This is against Angola, right? You know, when I look at this picture, look at the space between these two. Let's space between love. Now I understand why we conceded a goal every game. Our defending was bad. And in a corner, I blame the coach because our best defender, I don't know 1 year as a professional football. He's inexperienced. That's our best defender. And he's going to be the leader. It wasn't really a good thing. Then in this picture we have Utebo Mkwena ball watching. No wonder Sipume age. Okay, focus Gumuta, right? There's too much space there. But what I want you to watch is recovery yake. This is one of the things as a good guy. His recovery from realizing ukuthi uphumile out of position as a recover where you have your center backs as well, a mover. This is one of the best things. I understand why people rate him as the best defender in Africa. Egypt versus South Africa. Our defending was bad. He's very good in defending Amapalwak. Very good in defending Amapalwak. But when I look at this video again, I look at the space in between. When he drops, no one is coming here to mark la. Hey. Same game. Long ball. Now he does badly, ufaki bola phakathi. But he does very well defending here. Lento bengikhuluma ngayo, he likes giving people space on the right because he knows ukuthi he's very strong. He's got speed. But hey, look at this. Yes, I didn't see this. Look at Ungezan. He's focusing on this guy. But Ipolalila, Then he ends up going here, beso Umbokazi uzala. You can't defend like that. You can't defend like that. Like you are worried about umuntu. This person is not dangerous. There's two people that side and then there's one person with the ball. When ukatelo and you're not even in position, we are men marking. No, that's why I'm afraid to see Sesekai. Same game. No, defensively he's one of the best. He fools you. Utshela ukuthi kune space phambi kwakho kanti there's no space. Zim versus Bafana Bafana. This is one thing I don't like about him is this. Ibhola liyadlala maru umile, like you play to the whistle. We all know that. We play to the whistle. That's one thing I don't like about Umudao. But the great thing about Yena is recovery. He knows how to recover. That's one of the special things. 10 out of 10 when it comes to recover. Ibola, very good. Let's check one-on-one defending. One of his strengths is to defend this space. But this guy was smart because he knows Guti. He knows Guti. This Umudao wants him to go to the right. One of his strengths is he will let you go down the line and then he wins the ball. But this guy was very smart here. There's nothing wrong that he does here. It's just that at this level, if you are strong, you are bound to play against someone who is strong as well or smart in general. And this guy was very smart. I'm not going to go la. I need to Funanyela. He was too close. I would have poked the ball la because he is just waiting for him to a mistake. But this guy, he doesn't fall for the trap. There is space here, which is what he was supposed to do. Close down this space again. Foul. It's international level. You are bound to play against someone or smart or stronger than you. One-on-one action. Watch Lento Benyisho. He gives you this space thinking ukuthi iyalaphaya ngishiye. If you remember the video, the previous video, I said you need to close down this side. In that video, he didn't close down fully. Like in this is perfect. In this video, this is perfect. He wants you to go there because he knows he's very good there. You are not going to come back. You are not going to win the ball there. I've shown you the defending. When it comes to defending, top notch. But what makes me not rate him highly is the contribution that he makes going forward and separating yourself from the good to the best players. It's small details, Buffett. Small things, like trapping the ball, knowing how to trap the ball, when to pass the ball, when to make an overlap or an underlap. Those are the small things that makes you become from good to being great. Now let me show you. Egypt, second minute of the game, should have passed the ball lah. But what happens? Move. Watch. Let me take it back and show you Guti why he couldn't play the ball. Because his first touch was not good. You can't trap the ball ibhola bese liya phezulu. First touch liya phezulu ibhola. Now you can't pass because of your first touch was not good. You know, as a right back, sometimes you just need to pass the ball to your winger and stay there, because when you pass and then you move, now it becomes crowded, right? You are closing down this space. But omunye umuntu would say ukuthi no, ufuna siphume, but for me I would prefer ukuthi umuntu sometimes you need to know when to pass and stay. Don't pass and then you move, because uyamvalela futhi na ispace. As a fullback, you need to know when to underlap or overlap. For me here, Umutau could have done better. His first touch, second touch, because ugcina wenzani, ugcina push ibhola, ugcina uyasivalela. You need to know ukuthi you are a defender for a reason. Someone is an attacking player for a reason. Trap the ball and pass the ball. Don't push the ball futhi. Maybe if Begapegile he could have played here, but okay, sharp. Pass the ball to a police. Pass to a police and then overlap. But Itashaka police was bad, Lana, and then this guy was smart. Uvale this angle, akakhona ukumdlala. Manje kwenzakalani, he has to go phakathi. We lose the attack. The attacker futhi. You need to know ukuthi udlala nobani on the side. This was bad. Yambona uzu frustrated. This was bad. Let me show you ukuthi why this was bad. Remember the first clip. The first clip bekadlala no Apolis. Apolis ukhahlela ngo right. But now it's 2 against 1. Umuremi ukhahlela ngo left. Give the ball to Umuremi and then overlap. If this guy uhamba nawe, then Umuremi can shoot. Yeah? But you still dilly with the ball. So you decide to pass the ball there. Small details separate the good players from the best players. Small details. Yes, you are good defending. Mara masesiya phambili. What do you contribute? Bafethu. This was bad. This was really bad. This was bad. In terms of attacking, mnikeza ibhola umround. Bana. Zim versus South Africa. Trap the ball, pass omunye. Look at that weight of the pass. Bafethu, come on. The weight. Mabathi, do you know how to pass? You need to know when to pass the ball, where to pass the ball, how to pass the ball. Mangithi how? The weight of the pass, bafethu. Is it spinny? Mara. You can't pass the ball like that. You can't. Sugar. Let me take it back. Let's move, man. You need to know, Guti. You don't need to overlap all the time. You don't need to join in the attack. You pass the ball to Muremi and then you stay Uzala. But I would have preferred Guti a pass basically 1 against 1 here. But you have passer you touch line. Now it's what? It's 2 against 1 here. Or it's 1 against 2. Many sense we move on the ball. Bafethu. No, yeah, Lawabati is the best right back in Africa. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, there's nothing wrong. But for Tinabanye, no, I didn't do a game against Cameroon. Have I shown you the things against Cameroon? There's some exposure because in that game we played a 3-4-3, and normally he doesn't know which positions to take when you play in that system. It's not the same. The positioning is not the same when you play a 4 at the back or when you are playing 3 at the back. I'm a position our funny guys. That's the whole thing about system changing. And he didn't give us anything going forward. Defensively, yeah, he was okay, but none in the goal number 2, he could have cleared the ball. But guys, if you like the video, please subscribe, please like, and please share. Even if you didn't like it, please like, please share, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.